In this video I'm going to show you how you can make thumbnails in 30 seconds on your Android phone. So this could be helpful if you don't want to spend most of your time making quality thumbnails, but using this you can get pretty much effective thumbnails that can get you a lot of views within a short time. So I'm going to be doing this using this app called Canva, and this app lets you do this with some ready-made templates. So download this app from the description and catch up with me. So after you have opened this app, you're gonna get a heap of templates, not just for YouTube thumbnails, but also for other medias. If you click the plus icon, you can see you can make your own for other platforms. But that's not our aim today. We're gonna make a YouTube thumbnail in 30 seconds. So hit the search bar and click YouTube thumbnail. There it is in the suggestions. So you're gonna get a lot of templates for making YouTube thumbnails. So just select whatever you find fit for your thumbnail. I think I'm gonna choose this one. This app not only gives you ready-made templates, but it also gives you the full control of this template. So you can change all the things here. You can change the image, you can change the text, you can also add graphics, image, and templates. But our aim is to make it in 30 seconds, so all we gotta do is change the text into the video title. So select it and type your title of your video. Okay, I'm done with my texting, but if you want to tweak things up, you can see here you can change the image. You can choose from your gallery or color or filter it gives you. After you're done making your thumbnails, you can see the upload icon over there. Just click on it and the magic happens.